WION continues to track the latest on coronavirus vaccines, as now Russia has officially become the first country to start its inoculation drive. Russian teachers have started receiving COVID-19 vaccine shots as the country announced the start of a large-scale voluntary vaccination program against the coronavirus.
Вы знаете, прежде всего для безопасности своей и своих близких. Вы знаете, я долгое время тоже не верила. Считала, что это какие-то сказки, махинации, может быть, где-то даже. А пока не столкнулась с тем, что заболел мой близкий человек. И поэтому я решила, что я буду первой из семьи, кто сделает вакцинацию. Но впоследствии я хочу, чтобы вся моя семья была вакцинирована.
While the Russian President Vladimir Putin had earlier ordered a mass vaccination drive only to begin by December 5th, a hospital in Domodedovo, a town in Moscow region, said 100 of its doctors have already received 2 shots of the vaccine and that it is now available not only to teachers but to general public as well.
Целевая вакцинация началась с наших сотрудников нашей больницы. Сейчас мы уже повторно привили эти 100 человек. Никаких осложнений, побочных эффектов мы от вакцины не выявили. И сейчас мы получаем еженедельно очередные партии вакцин, которые предназначены как для наших медицинских работников, работников социальной сферы нашего города, ну и обычных жителей. Вот сегодня мы начинаем следующий этап вакцинации. Сегодня прививаем мы работников управления образования городского округа Домодедово. И в общем-то, дальше каждый день мы будем продолжать вакцинировать наших жителей.
Putin also said that Russia will produce 2 million vaccine doses in the next few days. While mass vaccination in Russia was expected to begin in early 2021, Russia has been rushing to keep up with other vaccine contenders.
Привили несколько человек старше 60 лет, причем мы можем сказать, что вообще побочных эффектов не было и осложнений не было. То есть вакцинация достаточно идет успешно, вакцина «Спутник Ви» нормально работает и достаточно эффективно. Уже проверили мы несколько человек на наличие антител после этой вакцины, достаточно хорошие показатели выявили, то есть вакцина эффективна.
The Russian vaccine Sputnik V became the first vaccine in the world to be registered. Its makers have said that the vaccine is 95% effective in preventing COVID-19. The results were based on an analysis of 20 participants in the trial who were confirmed COVID-19 positive. The trials consist of 20,000 people who got 1 dose of the vaccine and 16,000 who got 2. 14 days apart. The efficacy percentage means that when cases were split among the placebo group and vaccinated group, earlier this month, Russia even started the mass production of Sputnik V vaccine. Currently, the country is the 4th worst affected in the world behind US, India and Brazil with over 2.3 million cases. And so our correspondent Elena Protopova brings us this report from Russia. Let's listen in.
Mass anti-COVID vaccination in Russia starts with the inoculation of social and health workers and teachers. Moscow is one of the first regions in the country where the vaccination starts first and where they are given the opportunity to be vaccinated. In the capital, 70 vaccination centers have already been open. They are open from 8 to 8 o'clock. A person who has made a decision to be vaccinated has to be registered on the Moscow authorities' official website. The vaccination is made only on voluntary basis. It is free for every Russian citizen. The procedure of the vaccination itself takes less than an hour. First, a person will be examined by a doctor. The preparation of the vaccine takes about 15 minutes, and 30 minutes after the inoculation, a person will be observed by medical workers. The mass vaccination is an ongoing process. The volume of produced vaccines, of produced doses of vaccine is growing constantly, and as the Ministry of Trade and Industry said earlier today, the the total amount of doses will soon reach 2 million.